Welcome to a day in my life. This is a reload. The first one was copyrighted. Nani niyazi ukuthi YouTube injani. So Fere Masqala, we started off with dishes. This is the most boring job on earth that I ever had. So fairing na 25, ngizoyenzani vele? Ngizowasha izitsha. There's nothing to do other than washing dishes. Oh man, fuck, this thing is boring. Okay, so for the next 2 hours I was washing, I said 2. 1 hour I was washing dishes before ngiyospana. So I had to wash dishes, ngizisule, niyabona nani. It took a lot of time. So a few hours later, found myself working for, umadala lapha eKasi siya-akha. Then later on the day I found myself trading Nasdaq. So I thought it was going to buy lento lena, mara fere na into yenzakele. Every time when I enter a trade, this is what happens. In a few minutes it goes in my direction, then later on it swipes me out nje ngathi nje mara fere nizozibonela. So there's a lesson that I learned here. There are things that I tend to forget when I'm trading, but then that's life of a trader of it. You tend to forget things. So here I was scaling in, wrong position, hence I lost the trade. So ngathi vele bengayizwanga induku yokuqala. I came back, set the limit, iprice yajika la ijike khona. So yile yangimissed cabanga. Shit, I thought this was going to be the one, but then I had to watch this thing go away without me. So this day was not my day really. It was not a shame. Then now I was chasing. This is called FOMO. This is a fear of missing out. So I thought the market was already going to buy. Then it took me out. Then later on the day, find myself in the gym to distress. I lost money. So I had to push until my chest gets bigger and bigger. So I was with my boy Joe and Lapayana. You can see Buffett. Don't mind the subtitles Buffett Lapaya pants. That's a voice of Michael Marafeli. Sizoitet. Okay, so this shy chest on this day. Sithole shama, close grip, 4 sets nyana. Yambona la kuchon beseka katele. Then I took the weights from him. Did a little few sets nyana nami. We took pampale chest nyami. To get on the mood now. So I'm feeling jacked now. But then I was like, nah man, let's close it nyana with the last 4 set of dumbbell press. So guys, go and subscribe. So that I can grow. Hey, Slum Buffett. So that I can grow this channel.